Hi everyone, there is a huge update from Windsurf is that they have released some new features and they have given the name as Wave 2. So previously also I made videos on this Windsurf update and that was Wave 1. Now it is Wave 2. So what are the new features that they have added in Wave 2? So first of all, the important feature is web search. So if you go to your Windsurf and click on this settings icon. So please follow my cursor, click on this settings icon and here you will find this check for updates option. So click on this check for updates and after that all of the updated feature will be added to your Windsurf, and after that restart your Windsurf editor and you will be able to see that new feature. Like follow my cursor, here you see that there is a @ button is there. So if I zoom in and here you see that @ button, so if I click on this @ you will find this web feature and these docs. Okay, so if I click on this web, so here you will see that you can access the web directly. Now what is the advantage that you will get? Suppose you have found this blog helpful, like simple full stack products CRUD app using React, Node.js, MySQL. Okay, so there are simple procedure, step-by-step procedure that is discussed in this blog. Now you want to apply or you want to build this app. So in that case, what you will do, just copy this URL and go to your Windsurf and here just ask it that build this app. Okay, build this app, this blog. Okay, so now after that paste that URL. So now if you press enter, it will search that block and whatever instruction that is given inside this block, it will go through that and it will implement the feature. So if I press enter, you will see that it will say the running, and here you see that created outline. From this block it is reading the data, it is analyzing the content, and here you see that it is telling that the blog post on building a full stack products CRUD app using this, and your app consists of backend API and this prerequisites setup, all of the things it will provide by reading the blog. You don't have to do anything. Okay, so this is the important feature in this Windsurf that they have added. Now the next thing is that automated memories. So Cascade learns your patterns from your usage. Suppose you prefer to write your code in some language, like you all the time you prefer to write your code in React. So in that case, what you will do that under this ask anything tab, you just tell that please remember remember okay remember my settings. Okay, my settings uh, or language. Okay, so in this in the same way you can write these things. Okay, or suppose you have a proper architecture that you follow in case you build a web app or this full stack app. So in that case you just generate the architecture and tell this Windsurf that please remember my architecture for all of the codes that I will generate. So what will happen when you press enter, you will see that it will show you that I have noted your request to remember your settings regarding language. If you have any specific preferences or configuration you would like to set, please let me know. Now on the right hand side below here you will be able to see these Windsurf settings. Okay, so follow my cursor, Windsurf settings, click on this here. So if I zoom out this little bit, you will see an option cascade generated memories. So this is the new feature that they have added. Previously there were two new features that I discussed in the last video. So this is the these global AI rules and this WordPress AI rules. Right, now they have added this cascade generated memories. Now what it will do, so if you go to this manage, now here all of the memories that you have added in your prompt, that will be displayed here. Okay, so currently no memories generated yet, so all of your memories will be shown here. Right, now in the next time when you will generate your code, it will uh, it will search for the memories and it will remember the architecture or the language that you follow. I hope you got the point. Right, now the next thing is that code execution improvement. So Cascade uses underlying IDE terminal shell. So here you can use the IDE as a terminal shell also if you want to execute some Linux code. Now the next features that they have added is the problems tab. Here you see that push issues to Cascade. So if I go to Windsurf, so here you see that I have some error in my code, and in that case under this problems tab you will find this send all to Cascade button. So what happens that before this button, if I get any error, so in that case we copied that error and pasted here that I got this error, please solve this. So it was previously we were doing, but now we can send this all of this error to by pressing this. Now the next feature that they have added is the problems tab. So push issues to Cascade. So suppose in your Windsurf you have written some code and you got an error. So under this problems tab you come to this point tab, and here you will see all of this error. And previously what we were doing that we copied this error and we pasted this prompt in this prompt section and asked in this Windsurf that I got these errors, please solve this. Now what you can do, just click on this send all to Cascade. So please follow my cursor, just click on this send all to Cascade. Now it will go to this Windsurf and it will solve the code and it will tell you that what error and what is the root cause. So now in this case you will be able to do all of these things inside this Windsurf easily. And next is the explain problem UI, explain and fix issues in the editor. So this was the update from this Windsurf. I hope you got the points that these new features are actually helpful for us. And if you found this video helpful, guys, please don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.